on our own private island. I can't get over it. Middle of the Caribbean, seriously. Bellissima. My queen. Most definitely better than LA. Bellissima. Love this. Okay, restroom and then explore. Morning, my beloved. So today we're going on a private island. I'm so excited. It's stunningly gorgeous. Look at the ship. It's a great view of the ship. And we have our own private walkway where we enter into the island. I can't wait to get in there, and I can't wait to show you guys this stunningly gorgeous island. It's called Harvest Caye. It's like a tiny little island out in the middle of the Caribbean. All right, let's go check it out. Come on. I hope you guys are having fun with me. I really wanted to give you guys this experience of being on the adventure with me. This is kind of my first travel vlog with you guys. So message me below and let me know if you like it. We're planning a lot. We're planning many more trips. So let me know if you guys like this idea, if you like me bringing you guys along on these adventures, because I feel so blessed to have created this opportunity, and I really want to bring you guys along. Okay, look at this, you guys. Come on. Look at the bougainvillea. Like, guys, this is one of my favorite flowers. I just love this fuchsia color. It just makes everything, I don't know, happy. Look at how beautiful this is. Hey. Oh, I like this. We need a little bit. Oh, that's so heavenly. Oh my God, you guys, this is beautiful. Okay, I have to be honest with you, I've never been on a private island before. and I can't find you. And I really, really like it. It's amazing. Oh my God. And we had the perfect day. There's not a cloud in the sky. Perfect blue skies. And it's crazy because in the evening, 2 times it's like torrential pouring rain. When we wake up in the morning, sunny and gorgeous. We got very, very fortunate. Okay, so now we're gonna try to find a place to put our things down, get situated, and I think just explore this gorgeous place. It's really magical here. I really like it. Wow. Okay. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw yesterday. I think we were in Belize City yesterday. I got the most massive coconut I've ever seen in my life. It was like this. Literally, it was bigger than my head. I've never seen anything like it. It was such a treat. It's really special. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep exploring. We're exploring together. Wow. Our pool is that way. Oh my God, you guys, you should see this pool. Oh my God. Wow. So I don't know if you guys remember in my skincare video, I told you that I use the sun umbrella. I wasn't lying. Especially in this sun. The sun is brutal. It's amazing, but it's brutal. Oh my God, you guys, look at this pool. I have a passion for beautiful pools, so this is amazing. We're on a mission. We're on a mission to find the beach. This is incredible. So we are exploring the island. The ocean, look at this, you guys, is absolutely stunning, beautiful. It's almost like, you know me, I can talk to you guys. I'm speechless. It's so beautiful. It's just unbelievable. We're on our own private island. I can't get over it. Middle of the Caribbean, seriously. You guys are so cute. look, they have checkers and chess. My queen. I know a thing or two about chess. Restroom and then explore. Babushka, I'll be right back. The bathrooms are air conditioned. Très élégant. Okay, let's go to the pool. Okay. Oh, I'm a happy camper. Okay. I think I need to be in the water. What do you think, Assis?
I'll push it.
I know you will. Sorry.
That's okay.
Bellissima. Alright guys, I think we should go explore the ocean right now. Alright, come on, let's go. Wow. So I think I should take this opportunity to introduce the man behind the camera. You can hear his beautiful, handsome voice chirping sometime in the background, telling me what to do. His name is Assis, and he does, besides just filming me, he helps me on all other aspects of my business behind the scenes, which is incredible because for the first year I was doing everything all by myself, and it's very difficult to do that. So I'm so glad he's here. And so if you hear him in the background, my beautiful YouTube family, Assis, my beautiful YouTube family.
Hi guys.
See, I told you we had a sexy voice. I'm really in heaven. This is amazing. So one of the most incredible things about going on a cruise is that you get to meet people from all over the world. And I met some really special people, and I wanted to introduce you to them now. And where are you originally from? From Hong Kong. Can you say hi? Oh, 你好吗? What I mean? I love it.
I'm happy to meet Dr. Elizabeth. She is wonderful and I love her body and her outfit.
Thank you. 谢谢. What? No, wait, let me see. How do you say? Oh, 再见. Right? 再见. This lighthouse here, you climb to the top of the lighthouse, and that's where they zip line all across the island. How cool is that? There he goes, there he goes, there he goes, there he goes! Woo! That's so cool. Most definitely better than LA. Bellissima. Wow, this is heavenly. This is a great view because we get to see the whole beach and the ship in the background. Wow. Oh my God. The water's beautiful here. Okay, so here's the thing, guys. Walking on this sand is incredible exercise for your legs and also your butt. So when next time you're at the beach, make sure you go walking in the soft sand and give yourself a really, really good leg workout. Where are you guys from? Oh, perfect. Just say, hey! Hello. Hi, YouTube family. beautiful. I know you guys know I say this all the time. Just smile and say hi to people. All right, guys, and this is my beautiful friend Anna. She's here with her husband Mike. Look at how amazing and fit she is. She looks incredible. And we bonded over smoothies. So you do fitness in Holland, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's why you look so good. How do you say thank you?
Dankjewel.
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 Yes.
Dankjewel.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Thank
Ah, so nice to see you. So glad you're on our channel. So welcome to our family, our YouTube family.
Yes,
So
thank
nice
you.
to have you here. Keep doing what you're doing because you look incredible. And make sure you say hi to us. Leave a message and say hi to
I
us,
will.
okay?
I will.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you.
thank you.
Dankjewel.
Dankjewel. Good.
Ciao. A new family member. All right, let's go to our next adventure. All right, you guys. So my beautiful new friend Gilly is gonna hook me up with the sweetest and the best coconut on the island.
And the best drinks on the beach, guys. One of the best drinks on the beach.
Because it's so healthy, right?
That's right.
I have a YouTube channel, and that's what I tell them. Oh my God, look at that.
Really cool. What you're gonna do now? You're gonna enjoy all that coconut
Yes, I am. Oh my God. Oh, that looks
straight from the trees of Belize, guys.
Look at this. That looks amazing. Thank you,
Right.
sweetheart.
Enjoy, okay?
You know I will. Oh,
When you're done, we also chop it in half so you can get the little flesh on the inside as well.
that's so good.
That's what it is.
Oh my God, this is the best coconut I've had so far on our vacation. Oh my God. All right, my beloveds. It's been such a spectacular day. Gorgeous pool, beautiful beach. We have to go now. I so don't want to go. I feel like one of those little kids, you know? They keep diving in the pool one more time. One more time, the mom's like, come on, you have to go. I'm like, I don't want to go. But we still have lots more adventures, so come on. For now, my beautiful pool. Hello, next adventure. Oh. Say goodbye. Almost got run over by a cart to get you guys this shot, but look at this. We're just leaving the island. It was so spectacularly beautiful. And they had this beautiful walkway for us. Look at the ship. Look at how gorgeous that is. So much fun today. Oh my God, I can't wait to share everything with you. All right, my beloveds, until next time, you guys know I love you. I love you to infinity and back. And I appreciate you so very much. And remember, above all, you can do this. And I'm here to help you every step of the way. All right, my beloveds, I'll see you next time. Mwah. Ciao.